Alright, I had to stop in a minute ago, run inside. It's my daughter's birthday today. So, well, birthday party. So, I was a little cake on my face, but I got the fuel in. I got that stuff done. So, what we're going to listen for here, I've got the charger on the battery. It was pretty low. It was only like 9.2 volts or something. So, hopefully it's pretty good. This is second pass through. It looks like, I can't tell if that's 20 or 80. Yeah, I think it's an 80%. I guess I need to stop leaving that battery out here. But I'm going to turn the power on, and we want to hear the fuel pump because I have the key in the ignition already. Let's see. Oh yeah. Feel it pulling on the line. Sounds good. Fans on. Got fuel pressure. Only 3 psi. 3.5 psi. So I'm gonna have to turn it up. That's fine. Oof, that wouldn't be good. So I'm gonna kill it and prime it a few times so that I make sure it's good. Then I'm gonna leave it on, check the lines, turn it off, and we're gonna prime it. There it goes, that's good. Might end up making an access panel so that I can get directly into the return line. I didn't check it. Let me make sure it feels like it's got stuff going through it as well. I knew I was going to have to adjust it some. Oh yeah, definitely fuel going through it. So I'm going to have to turn this up. I'll show you guys how to do that. But I definitely have the lines are primed. It's actually a good thing with that return. The water's going, or the gas is going through. And some of those Teflon lines, whenever I created them, the PTFE, had some residue and stuff. So I'm actually happy it's going through the filters. Just kind of cycling it through. Some of the stuff that probably hit the carb first, it might have a little bit of dirt and stuff in it, but that's fine. I kind of allow for that. But I'm hoping the fuel bowls have filled up. I'm going to cycle it one more time, and then I'm going to check these lines. See, like that, because thought I found some fuel there. So I'm going to tighten that one. Maybe it was just residual or something. Oh, this one seems to be. I wonder if my gauge. Oh, no, see this show, see it. So let's check it. Actually, looks like. Let's test it out in a minute, but to figure out this, that fuel log. I actually read a review. This is the Jegs brand. I read a review that said something similar to that. All of these are good. My lines are good, which is what I was worried about. PTFE lines. Everything's going through. I'm gonna kill it for a minute. Adjust that pressure.